All right, what's up, guys? So just wanted to do a quick little video here, a little time lapse. I'm actually sanding some doors, going in to remodel. We got some cabinets there that we're doing. But no, main thing, honestly, got the F-150 here, the JB4. I had a lot of questions about the JB4 and kind of what that looks like as far as some of you guys are wanting to order it, whatnot. So what I did was I partnered with Burger Tuning, and I got a link for you guys that will take you straight to their website and take you straight to all the JB4 goodness. So for those of you that don't know, this little box down here, as you can see, I just have it sitting literally right next to my battery. This is the Bluetooth connector. This is the JB4. So this thing just sits right there. I have it routed up to my sensors. You can kind of see here that it's plugged in, goes in under the hood, connects to your OBD2 right there, and it allows you to control basically the boost levels and the fuel that goes into it without having to tune your vehicle. So the JB4 doesn't leave any footprints. It's not a custom tune. It has maps on there related to the fuel that you have in the truck. So basically it's just optimizing the fuel that you're putting into your vehicle. You can put it on stock 91, 93, 93 to E30, and then E30 plus. What I found is like the 93 tune on this thing is my favorite because you don't have to worry about putting E85 in. It adds a ton of power. I think it's like 75 horse, 75 torque or something over stock for something that doesn't leave a footprint is awesome. So I reached out to them, became a partner with Burger Tuning to where I can have the link. I have it posted in the description of every single video and the description of my channel. Y'all can literally click that link and it takes you straight to Burger Tuning, and it has all of their JB4 stuff, not just for EcoBoost trucks either. So they have it for, you know, BMWs, Mercedes, Audi. I mean, I think they have it for all sorts of different turbo vehicles, essentially, to where they take the stock mapping and increase it to make it efficient for the fuel that you're putting in the vehicle to optimize that fuel. So pretty cool little deal. Super excited to get partnered with them. Hopefully the first of many little partnerships for you guys to where y'all can just kind of click on a link and take you straight to all the stuff that I have on my vehicle. I know a lot of you guys were in the comments on some of the previous videos saying that you're going to order one for your truck. And I have been wanting to do custom tuning for a long time on this truck just because of the potential that's in it, and I will as soon as it gets out of warranty. But where these JB4s are awesome is the fact that you keep your warranty, so you don't have to worry about taking your truck to a dealer and having warranty issues because you have it tuned. You can still enjoy all the extra horsepower, and it's not going to be, you know, a max effort tune to where your truck's going to be the fastest, you know, or whatever you put it on, truck, car, whatever, is going to be the fastest it can be. But for a stock calibration tune, it will. There's nobody else on the market that is doing what JB4 is doing, and the way that they do it. They kind of have the whole market locked down, and they have basically everything perfected. I've had this thing on my Bronco, I had it on my Raptor, then now I have it on this F-150, and I've ordered 3 or 4 different JB4s from them because I like them so much, and I think that it's a great mod for $700-800, depending on if you do Bluetooth, whatnot, for that power. You're not going to get that with anything else. The way that it works in your vehicle, it doesn't do any transmission tuning or anything like that, so you're still on the factory calibration tunes. Just the boost is increased per map. I think it's like, you know, up to like 4 pounds of boost or 4.5 pounds on E30 more than stock. And that's obviously where the horsepower comes into, but it's been awesome, phenomenal. So have the link in the bio for that. If any of you guys are interested even on how much they cost, you know, it may be even cheaper for your model, but this has been by far the best bang for my buck mod on this truck. You know, I have a cold air intake on this thing. It's all super dirty, but cold air intake on here. The exhaust it's a muffler delete and it's dumped, and I have a catch can. That's the only thing I have on here in this JB4. If I was only going to put one thing on this vehicle, it would be the JB4. I think the catch can is a great, like, actually we'll take it off right now, but I think the catch can is actually like a great mod once you do start increasing power, because of the fact that this thing's a little tight. I'm gonna have to set this down here, because of the fact that it's more of like a supporting mod. It doesn't add any power, obviously, but what it does is keep oil out of your intake to where it doesn't have to go back in and get burned off. So take this off right here and y'all can actually see. I can smell it. Yep, full of oil. So this is what would be going back into your intake and getting burned off. I don't know if y'all can see that here. A ton of oil that would normally be pushed back in and burned off into your motor. It's a quick and easy thing. Put it right back on. And it's just like I said, a supporting mod. Once you start running more boost and stuff on the stock rings and pistons, they're not, this thing's being a little finicky. They're not made to run these power levels. So this is just a nice little supporting mod that comes in to play on preventative maintenance, if you will. So you don't have to cause more work and more wear and tear on your motor just because you're adding a little bit more boost. I never put the catch cans on my vehicles whenever I was tuning them, and now I can't believe I haven't. Like the Explorer, the ST doesn't have one. Definitely needs a catch can on it, and they're pretty cheap. They're like, I want to say that thing was like $200 or $300 or something. Extremely easy to install. The clips just come off and you just reconnect the wires. All the oil flows through with the pressure. So pretty cool little deal, but just wanted to kind of touch base with you guys on that and just kind of know that I have that code now in all the videos. So if y'all are going to get anything from Burger Tuning or any JB4, or even look at stuff that Burger Tuning offers, they offer all sorts of things, not just JB4. Anything to do with modding vehicles, they have a lot of the stuff. Intercooler kits, stage kits, stage 1, stage 2, whatever the case, they have all that stuff on the website. So if y'all do me a favor and y'all are going to order something, click on that link. I'd like to get partnered with more brands just to be able to offer you guys more things, and hopefully start getting discount codes and stuff like that, so you guys can kind of get a little bit better deal just for being associated with my channel. Okay, so I didn't have a chance to wrap up that video that day, so I'm doing that now. All that stuff on Burger Tuning is going to be in my description. Easy to click on it. Go check out Burger Tuning stuff and see if you want any of their goodies. As far as the ST, we're in the ST now. We got it back from the body shop. I kind of already showed that rear quarter panel area that was replaced, but now we can kind of start moving forward on what we're going to do with the ST. So looking at going to go ahead and get a set of downpipes ordered, and then I want to pick up the E50 tuning from ZFG. So exciting things for the ST, cool things going on in the company. Take you guys along. We're almost finishing up some remodels. We just finished one of them up, that one that I've showed you guys a couple times that we've walked through. The full remodel, they called us, they want us to do the bathrooms. So we are currently doing all 3 bathrooms right now. So we'll kind of take you through that process tomorrow or something like that to where you guys can see it. But if there's anything specific you guys want to see, just let me know, comment on it, and I'll let you know. Anything to do with the JB4 or tuning or any of that stuff, I love answering the questions from you guys. So please just shoot away in the comments. Makes it do good, get a little bit more traction, having comments from different people, so I appreciate that. But anyway, yeah, like and subscribe for more. Appreciate it.